My name is Kelly Stewart, and I came to know Dr. Deutsch actually through my employer, who had highly recommended him for various treatments. I also knew a couple of friends who had seen him and had wonderful results from his treatments. And I came to see him actually with my mother, and who was also seeing him for her own treatment. And I was put on a nutrition program of really vibrant foods, and I ended up cutting out a lot of the things that I'd been used to eating, but it was a program that really helped me out. I feel so much better after the 3 weeks is up. And I was experiencing some stiffness in my joints, and I knew I wasn't doing as well as I could with my nutrition. I wanted to feel the physical fitness level that I felt earlier, a couple years ago when I was an athlete in school. I'd fallen away since I'd gotten into working long hours. And Dr. Deutsch recommended a regimen of a cleanse, a nutritional cleanse, to get rid of the toxins in my body, as well as getting back into exercising, and just a very simple, straightforward plan, but put in terms that I could really understand, and that it was doable. It was a challenge, but it was doable, and I set out to do it, especially because of the glowing reviews that Dr. Deutsch had gotten. And after I'd finished the plan, I couldn't believe it. I felt so much better. It was what people said it would be and more. It was just really amazing how much energy I had. My cravings were gone. I lost a lot of weight. The achiness in my joints was gone. I could focus for longer hours at work. I was able to sleep a lot better at night. And there just weren't lapses in energy. It wasn't the high to the low. And overall, I was just happier, quality of life was better, and I don't plan on turning back. On a daily basis, it's not a big deal if I don't get the optimal amount of sleep in a particular night, because my day is a little more demanding. I'm able to get up and go, have something simple to eat, and I have a steady full of energy at work. There's never a point in the day where I'm just kind of worthless because I'm, on a sugar low or something like that. I'm always able to do something. I'm on my feet all day, and then I come home from work and I actually have energy. I have energy to exercise or to throw some food together, or pretty much anything I want to do. I'm never crashing. There's never like a crash and burn kind of a thing going on. I'm just always able to do things and do what I want to do with my life, which is great. The plan has broadened my horizons greatly. It's funny because going in, I thought that maybe if I had this diet of, healthy foods, that it would limit my options and just make life more boring, but it's completely the opposite. Dr. Deutsch is definitely a very special individual. You can just tell even the first time you meet him. There's just a stillness in the air around him. He's a very special person, and he can bring a light out of you that's just wonderful. And I highly recommend the program. I highly recommend meeting with Dr. Deutsch. He looks at so many different aspects. He takes a very personalized approach. Patient by patient, gives you the kind of individual attention that you can only dream about in the medical world. And I highly recommend coming to see him for any and all ailments you have, however minor they may seem. I mean, he can change your life.